A weather forecast. I know we're already off to a typical hot and humid start. Everybody still wants to be able to enjoy the holiday weekend. So how are things shaping up?
You know, it's not going to be overall too bad. Yesterday, Heather, actually, there was some breeze. And it actually felt good in the clouds, but today we are going to be seeing a bit more of that sunshine, so temperatures are going to be rising. The thing is, we're going to be getting even hotter as we come into this upcoming week. So please, I know that kiddos are still out of school. Maybe they have some summer camps outside. They need to make sure they're staying hydrated because we're talking upper 90s, which we haven't felt in quite some time. And Tropical Depression 3 did form yesterday, and it actually could become our next name storm, which would be Chantel, come later on today. As you are stepping outside, yes, it's cloudy. There's not much of a breeze though. Yesterday it did feel pretty nice, but muggy. 81 degrees right now is the actual temp in Houston, with feels like temps in the upper 80s. Some of us still in the 70s, but overall things are going to be warming up quickly, especially with the sun on the rise now. We're feeling like 90 degrees in Anahuac to LaPorte and down to Bay City. So it only begins, and it's 7:17 in the morning. But I want to talk about the rain because that's what people want to know. They have the outdoor plans. They're heading out on the lake, sitting by the pool. You know, whatever it is that you'll be doing with the family today, you need to be aware of what will be happening in the skies or potentially happening. Already seeing some of those showers moving into Navasota and actually heading toward Harris County, Katy, and into Cypress. Now, our latest high resolution models that we just got this update in the 7 o'clock hour showing that there could be some thunderstorm development by midday. Most of this is going to be staying north of Houston. I was looking at our graph model just a moment ago, and it is showing that we're actually going to be seeing the thunderstorm development later on in the afternoon. So models in a bit of disagreement, but I do think coverage will still be at about 20 to 30% today, and then clearing as we head into the overnight hours tonight. Conroe, you can expect those highs to be rising to the low 90s once again, and a similar story out in Mission Bend with the chance for a few of those showers. Along our coast, it's all about the 80s and upper 80s at that, with a nice breeze. Definitely lower rain chances the closer to the water that you are. And over the next few days, those temps will be soaring. I actually want to show you our extended temperature outlook. Most of the country, as we head from this upcoming Friday to the following Tuesday, is going to be above average in the temperature department, and our rain chances, equal chance is what we call it, but that does mean we'll be on the lower range of things, and with lower rain chances does come a big uptick in temps. We're talking mid to upper 90s by the middle and end of this upcoming week.